JD 26 here for just do the repair and tips, and I just want to show you a real quick fix for another airbrush container to blow up your airbrush into. So like this, you just cut a piece out of this Chinese soup container. You can get them at, Chinese, when they give you a wonton soup or a drop soup, and you just cut it out, make an X, put a hole up here, put some tissue in there or a rag in the bottom to catch things. You just go like this, you blow out. Blow your airbrush like that. Very simple container, and saves you a lot of money. And I just want to show you that. I hope you rate, subscribe, and ring the little notification bell to the right for new videos.